Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with access and permissions. Open Google Drive and find the file or folder now. Once you've located it, right-click and choose Share to view current settings. Make sure you're owner or have editor rights, because only those roles can change link behavior. Next, click Change to anyone with the link or restrict to specific people. Pick what matches your use case. This step prevents accidental exposure, so pause and verify the chosen access level before moving on to link options. Now you modify the link settings themselves. Choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor to define what recipients can do. Once selected, click Advanced or the gear icon to enable options like Disable Download, Disable Copy, or Set Expiration. These change the why and how people interact with your content. If your organization uses a domain, toggle domain-only access to limit exposure. After adjustments, click Copy Link, but don't assume it's right. Preview in an incognito window or a secondary account to confirm permissions work as intended. Finish by saving changes and pasting the link into your email, chat, or document where recipients expect it. Make sure to verify access immediately. Ask one user to confirm they can open the file with the intended rights. If someone reports an error, reopen share settings, re-add their email address, or remove and reapply the link type. Clearing browser cache helps when permissions seem stuck. One key troubleshooting tip: if shared content remains inaccessible, confirm you didn't enable domain restrictions or set expiration by mistake.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.